How to see card number on Discover app. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Discover is already installed on a device. If not, head over to your app store and in the search bar, search for Discover. After that, tap on Get and then install it on a device. Once you have installed, open the app. Wait for a while for it to load. Tap on Allow. Now tap on Login. Enter your login credential as in your user ID and the password and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is look for an option or the tab that says Account or Card Services. Within the Account or Card Services section, there should be an option labeled View Card Number or something similar to it. Tap on this option. You may need to complete additional security steps such as verifying your identity using a code sent to your phone or by answering the security sections. Once you have successfully verified your identity, your full card number, expiration date, and CVV code should be visible on the screen. Look into your card number and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can see your card number on Discover app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.